Dun. Guys, that is called sanitizing. Okay, it's very important. Bonjour. This is the way we greet each other. Because so far I never greet you in French. I did, but you never see how. So today I decided to brought it here for you. Very colorful. Bonjour, you reply bonjour. Salut, you reply salut. Ça va, you reply ça va. Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? Je m'appelle. Comment tu t'appelles? Je m'appelle. Comment tu t'appelles? Je m'appelle Moulongo. Je m'appelle Sisekelo. Je m'appelle Gauthier. Je m'appelle Daniel. Je m'appelle Eric. Je m'appelle. So when you say comment tu t'appelles, you're asking someone his or her name. Okay. And then the person is going to reply, je m'appelle Gauthier. Je m'appelle Mangoba. Je m'appelle Sisekelo. Je m'appelle Mapuso, etc., etc. So this is the way you need. Comment tu t'appelles? Je m'appelle. Then you say your name. Au revoir. Au revoir, it means au revoir. Bye. Now, guys, today I give you the introduction of greeting because every day I'll be doing that. So that when you come back to school, you will be able already to express yourself, to greet me and say, ask me my name and ask your friends and things like that. Okay. Now, let's go to the alphabet. Last time I sent you a wonderful video. Did you like it? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Now, today we're going to talk about the sound of the alphabet. Okay, this one sound A, B, K, D, E, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great. Now, the reason I give you this because we're going to read. There is something I prepared for you to read. Okay.